Should I just go through the...
Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Stratosphere Casino Resort Tower, and it is much like a river. Please stay tuned for further updates during this tragic day in our history.
You know what? I do have to make this U-turn over here.
Wave to the people. Are they out there?
Holy shit.
Valet is down.
This dude's flooded out, too.
We got a taxi that's stuck. This is going to be on KVVU tonight. Look at this guy. He did not turn around, so he drowned.
Holy shit, look at this.
What am I going to do, dude?
Keep going. We'll turn around one day.
I can't believe they went into France.
Wow.
I can't turn around here.
Can you turn right over here and do a U-ey?
It's flooded, baby.
No, we can make it. This is a fucking Hummer. It's a Jeep.
Dude, I'm lower than the Yukon.